You've dropped your crown, sire.
Took that old man long enough to hobble out.
Now's your chance. You should run.
Mutiny? Give us the key to the treasury.
Well, old friend, were there any matters of import while I was gone?
No, nothing comes to mind.
Really? Then what are those?
What indeed?
Huh. You have an affinity for petrification magic, do you not?
Do I? Trash collectors will come and take them away on the morrow, sire. Speaking of, how's the Demon King doing?
He was all right.
All right isn't strong.
Average.
Is this how you treat all your guests, or am I just lucky? Check.